Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about two stocks that I think might go short. Albemarle, it's a mineral company, mineral mining company, and F5 Networks, which is a computer component company. But before you get started, I want to remind you that you must be like this guy and do your own due diligence. I guess he's hoping and wishing and hoping. He must be logged on to the Wall Street Bets. That's how they do their analysis, wishing and hoping and praying. But do your own due diligence. I'm not your advisor. Learn how to do this and win. Let's get started. We're looking at Albemarle using a trading view chart on a daily time frame. Each candle is a day. Albemarle is one of those stocks that can benefit from the infrastructure bill that's being passed. It's a mining and mineral company and does a little lithium. It just had earnings, and we draw the Fibonacci numbers, and you have to ask yourself, is it going to the moon, which it appears to be, or is it going to have a pullback? The RSI is well above its 70, and what we should do is wait for it to come around before we go short, if we are thinking about going to short. The stochastic RSI is in the same situation. We can be too early on this. And the MACD is deep, which we like to see. So and every time it's deep, it pulls back. Deep, pull back, deep, rise, fairly deep. And look at that. When it's close to the zero, the zigzag is not so steep. RSI below the 30, that's a nice pull, run up. So we have the conditions here for a pullback, but we gotta wait. And if the infrastructure bill passes, no telling what will happen. This stock is trading at 226, where the average analyst rating is 187. There's a deficit here to the downside. There's a late 11 analysts following it, and it's on a hold. It's got a 7 ranking. Hedge fund activity decreased. Insider activities being sold shares. That bodes well for short. Everything else looks positive. Next earning date is November. Company is positive. Things seem a little flat there on your earnings and revenues. Opinions mixed. Again, that bodes well for a hold or a short. The next stock to talk about is F5 Networks. They're a circuit manufacturer making computer components. They control things. Again, we're looking at the daily time frame. Daily. And we see we have nice zigzags. And if we could predict these things using some indicators, we'd be very happy. Here's the RSI below the 30. And so is the stochastics. And the MACD is deep. That indicates a long. And you had to wait a few bars for that, but it did. Same situation over here. And that's a nice long run. These are all close to the zero line. And so I avoid those. This is a deep one. This is MACD deep. MACD deep. Stochastic RSI. And the RSI needs to come back around. This might be early. Zigzag at the moment. Does not know what it's doing. And that indicates it might come down. Large gap here. Will it fill? Stock is trading at 211. Tip ranks has got its that'll go to 237. And it's a moderate buy. Outperform. Some insider activity. Everything else is green. Profitable. Earnings is growing. Going up or going down. Technicals say it's going to go down. But this could very well just ride and keep on going up. You'll have to decide. This isn't easy. So I've given you two stocks. Albemarle to the moon. Technicals after earnings. It's looking like it's pointing down. Will this thing turn around and come back down? Stochastic RSI is in an overbought position. Will it come around? And the RSI in an overbought position. Will it come around? Is Albemarle stock prices baked in to the infrastructure deal already being approved? Even though it's not, most likely it will be. I'll leave that up to you. F5 Networks, computer components, the MACD showing down, the stochastics, and so the RSI all about to come around. Will this gap fill? Leave that up to you. Do your own due diligence. Please like and subscribe to this video. Catch you on the flip.